So for more insight, let's cross live to Mr. Bai Xianyue in Tianjin. Thank you very much for joining us. So let's talk more about this crucial document. The report mentions how law-based governance is important for the party's success in governing and rejuvenating the country. And how would this contribute to China's future as a big picture?
Well, it's very true that state governance subject to law has been a profound revolution for China. If you think of the chaos and the tumultuous time China experienced back in the 1960s, and China has been undergoing a transformation in the past few decades from a closed book, underdeveloped country with struggling economy to now a much liberalized economy and prosperous nation. Many have regarded China's success as a miracle. It is a miracle in the sense that huge changes have taken place, and people of the country are grateful for the changes that have improved their lives. It is not a miracle in the sense that much of the credit should go to market economy, people's liberty and individual freedom, and rule of law, which has long been recognized as the guiding principle of state government. If history can serve as any lesson, we should remember without rule of law, we could have never achieved what we have done, and history might repeat itself. Looking ahead, China should continue to uphold its commitment to the rule of law, which has helped rejuvenate China and will continue to do so in the future. For rule of law is the only path leading to social fairness and justice, which is the ultimate guarantee of a long-term prosperity, the well-being, and happiness of the people.
Now let's be a little bit more specific and talk about something just to happen on Sunday. A revised law on the protection of rights and interests of women was adopted by the country's top legislature. What's your reading into the importance of this move?
Well, this revision of the piece of law, was originally adopted back in the 1990s, which is more than, almost 40 years ago. The revision now sets out many measures to promote, for example, gender equality, ensure that women enjoy equal rights with men in the political, economic, cultural, social, and other fields. The newly revised law provides special protection to women in many areas, such as medical care, health examinations, public facilities, maternity leave services, provision of sexual harassment, and elimination of gender discrimination in employment. Emphasizing that women's human dignity is inviolable is one of the highlights of the revision. And, I think another significant change in the law is that government departments at various levels will be in the future held accountable for failing to report and rescue women who were unfortunately trafficked, kidnapped. This new revision also specifies that gender discrimination, which is not unusual in employment in China, should be eliminated, which is recognized as a principle. And in addition, gender discrimination at work, which can come in different forms, will be included in the labor security supervision in the future.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bai Xianyue in Tianjin. Thank you very much indeed.